Big Blue Button, activating the timer or stopwatch. Instructors can activate a stopwatch for timed activities such as a quiz or other proficiency-building activities. To begin, click on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. In the pop-up that appears, choose the Activate Timer or Stopwatch option. Select the Timer column. Set the desired time and click Start. All users are able to see the timer in the top right corner of the screen. To use the stopwatch, select the Stopwatch column. Click Start to start the stopwatch. All users are able to see the stopwatch in the top right corner of the screen. Click Stop to stop the stopwatch. Click Reset to return the stopwatch to 0. To deactivate the timer or the stopwatch for the session, click on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and choose the Deactivate Timer or Stopwatch option in the pop-up that appears. You can also close the stopwatch panel.